Today a favorite down here in Texas, Carnitas. I hope everyone else enjoys it. It's flavorful.
Got to make carnitas for her father's house. Swap off every week. He cooks on their Wednesday family day. Anyway, so because I'm home, so I'm just listed making carnitas. So get ready. Are you ready?
So I went ahead and cut the pork butt into chunks, and I didn't worry about the sizes this time. And then I have this Mexican seasoning that I thought I showed on camera. I didn't. So anyway, I'll post a link to it down below. And I just made sure I coated everything. I kept adding seasoning. I didn't want to get it too salty, but I wanted to make sure everything was coated. So that's what I'm doing. Cooked down high in the crock pot for probably a good 6-7 hours. So what I didn't film, I thought I did, was me putting in the chicken stock. Because I didn't just cook it. I let it cook in juices so it wouldn't dry out. So anyway, it's looking good though.
There it is shredded. Time to make a taco.
I like flour tortillas more than the corn, but my wife sure loves the corn tortillas. I guess they're healthier, good for her. Anyway, so made myself a nice corn tortilla. But then my trip down to Irma's taught me that you have to use. They were doing oil, but I saw that you can actually moisten the corn with water and will still make it pliable, and it actually worked. I mean, obviously the oil tasted better, but hey, that's life. So so I went ahead and did that, and it worked. It made it very pliable without ripping. Maybe a little bit too pliable. Another thing I learned from going to Irma's, trouble saying it, Southwest Grill, is that you use the refried beans, the binder. It holds everything in place, keeps the taco solid. I'm using the black refried beans here. They're delicious. And then you go in with your carnitas. Come on, quit slacking. Get those carnitas in there. Rich, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get those carnitas. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Oh, that meat was nice and juicy. And there, okay. I'm glad it finally gave you something to look at. There we go. And you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with this at all. We put a little pico de gallo. And get all three of them. Cocada, I don't know. It's almost like the Mexican version of Parmesan, bread Parmesan. And then, of course, you have to go with cilantro. And that's, look at that. That's some tacos right there. A little chips, a little green verde salsa, you're good.